Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay taxes using TurboTax. Paying your taxes can feel daunting, but TurboTax makes the process straightforward. We'll walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand each option. Whether you're paying federal or state taxes, or both, this guide will help you confidently complete your tax obligations. Let's get started and simplify your tax payment experience. When it comes to federal taxes, TurboTax offers several convenient ways to pay. The most common is IRS Direct Pay, which allows you to transfer funds directly from your bank account without any fees. Alternatively, you can use a debit or credit card, though a small processing fee, typically around 2%, will apply. For those who prefer traditional methods, you can print a payment voucher and mail a check or money order to the IRS. Paying your state taxes through TurboTax is just as simple. Most states provide an option for direct debit from your bank account, similar to the federal IRS Direct Pay. If you prefer using a credit or debit card, this is usually an option, but be aware of potential processing fees, which can vary by state. Always check your state's specific instructions within TurboTax for mailing paper checks or money orders, as addresses differ. Before finalizing your tax return, it's crucial to double-check all your payment details. Ensure your bank account information or card details are accurate to prevent any issues. Once submitted, save any confirmation numbers or receipts provided by TurboTax and the tax authorities. Remember to be mindful of payment deadlines, typically April 15th for most, to avoid any late payment penalties. You've successfully navigated paying your taxes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.